Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on NZDUSD, aka New Zealand dollar per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on our calendar, what I totally understand from this is that we are actually going to experience a little bit of a movement to the upside because of some of the news that I'm seeing here through the next day, and after next day's news are done, we can totally expect a really strong fall or bearish movement to the downside on this currency. But as you all know me, I do not totally believe in news and I believe that they are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on NZDUSD on 4-hour time frame. And as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. Let me correct the color of this one down here. This one is going to act like a support to the price, but a resistance for our trade. And the blue area, as always, is our trading zone. So the plan for this signal is that we should wait for the price to actually move up here, gather all the liquidity above this level, come back down below the level, give us a little bit of a pullback, and then we can enter our selling trade and enjoy the ride. So that's our plan, because as you all know, there is a lot of liquidity lying above these two equal highs. Let me extend this a little bit to the left side so you can see the high better. Okay, now we can see the highs. There is actually a lot of money above these two highs and these should be taken. So when they are actually taken, we can actually expect the price to come back down below the level and then give us a little bit of a pullback and then continue to move to the downside so we can enjoy our selling trade. So what I want from you, as always, is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Have a good day and peace.